power is 1. The degree of polynomial is 1.
Yeah, the degree of polynomial is it's 1. Very good, Edric. Okay. So now there are types of graphs are there in linear equation in two variables. As I told you, for example, if I will write this equation, x plus 2y is minus 7 is equals to 0. So how many solutions will be there, Abigail, in this? How many solutions will be there, Abigail,
There'll only be one solution.
in this?
Yeah, sir, it's a linear equation, right?
No. I told you this is linear equation in two variables. And in linear equation, two variables, there is
But
infinite solution.
yes, sir, but this equation, the power is only one, right? So the
Yeah,
linear
power is
equation.
1. According to DOP is only 1. The zero polynomial is 1. But because it has two variables, that is become infinite. For example, if I will write this equation, easy equation I will do. If I will take x plus y is equals to 2. Okay, so what values you can put so that you can get answer as 2? For example, you take x, y, 1, y, 1, because 1 plus 1 is 2, and right hand side is also 2. Understood? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Other than that,
2 and 0.
2 and 0, then 0 and 2,
3
then
and
1.5 and
3.
0.5, 3 and minus 1. Yeah. So there are infinite numbers will be there, okay, to solve this. So because it's a linear equation in two variable, in this there are infinite number of solutions. Understood? No. Yes or no? Okay. But now if there is infinite number of solutions, then we can't solve it because every solution is a solution. So for linear equation in two variable, we need two equation to get the answer. Okay, I'm repeating again. We need two equations to get the answer. So for example, if I will write it like this, x plus y is equals to 2 and 2x minus y is equals to 3. So if you will check this, they are called as linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. So there are two linear equations are there to solve the two variable value. And according to this, there will be three types of graph will be there. If we are using two equations, so there are three graphs will be there. First is intersecting graph. Which graph? The first is intersecting graph. The second is uh, coincide graph. And the third one is parallel graph. Okay. We know that linear equation always make straight line graph. If it is two variables, seven variables, or nine variables, any variables are there, they only makes straight line graph. Linear equation always make straight line graph. Always straight line graph. Okay? It will be always straight line. Guys, did you understand? Ira?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, intersecting graph means the two variable graphs will be look like this.
No, sure.
Yes.
Okay.
This is intersecting graph. Everyone, please don't write anybody. Vidya, don't write. Okay. Intersecting graph is like this. The second graph, coincide graph, gonna be like this. Coincide means overlapping on each other like this. Okay. And parallel graphs are gonna be like this. Parallel lines are those lines which never intersect each other. Gonna be like this. Now, everyone, please pay attention. The point where they are meeting gonna be the solution that is equals to both equations. Okay, the point where they are meeting is the solution. So we know that in intersecting only one point they are meeting, so it has only one solution. We'll solve this. Okay, we'll solve this, and so that you can know it more clearly. So it has one solution. Now in this, every point is meeting over each other. So like if you will extend this line and then another line, both the lines have infinite number of points which are matching. So it has infinite solution. It has infinite solution. And this graph is called as no solution because no points are matching or crossing over each other. Understood, guys? No, Abigail didn't understand anything. Simeon, why you didn't understand? Abigail? Yes, Simeon. He understood. Everyone understood? Joshua? Ira?
Yes.
Okay, I'm repeating again. You can see that this is the, like they are the one solution graph because it has only one point which are crossing over each other. This is called as infinite number of solutions because each and every point is overlapping on each other, making the each point as a solution. This is called as parallel solution, no solution, because nothing is matching. Did you understand? Okay. Now, listen, guys. This is also called as dependent pair of linear equation. This is also called as dependent pair of linear equation. This is also called as dependent pair of linear equation. Pair of linear equation. This is called as independent pair of linear equation. So I want to ask this question from Edric. Why the name it's written like this? Why the intersecting graph is called as dependent, coincide graph is called as dependent, parallel graph is called as independent? Why?
Because dependent pair means at least one point they will touch each other. Independent pair means they will not touch each other at any point.
Yeah, they are not dependent on each other to get a solution. So, for example, parallel lines, they are not independent. They are not dependent on each other to get the solution because there is no solution. No? That's why it's called as independent. Understood? So, Simeon, no. Abigail, Jashwan, did you understand? Jashwan, did you understand? I will repeat it again. I'll repeat it again, no problem. I'm saying that if I will check the case of intersecting, there is one solution, means they are dependent on each other to get the solution. But in the parallel graph, there is no solution. If there is no solution, it means that they are not dependent on each other because they are not getting any solution. Understood, Vidya? Ira, Simeon. Okay. This is also called as consistent pair of linear equation. Okay, consistent. Just don't write, please. This is also called as consistent pair of linear equation. This is called as inconsistent pair of. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Till here, any problem? Ira has problem. Joshua, please ask me. No? Problem, Illa? Nitya? Okay, write it down. Please write it down. Ira, if you have any problem, ask me, please.
Done, sir, done, sir, done, sir, done, sir.
मैं वो कह रही हूँ कि 2 दिन बाद नहीं आया तो देखो मैंने पे के डस्टबिन में रख दिया नहीं है नहीं
Tell me when you're done, okay?
I'm done, I'm done, I'm done.
Everyone.
कैंपर किधर गया साले मास्क था चलो मिलको ये वाला डॉस
Good. Done? Shall I read this, guys?
Yes, please.
Okay. Now we will learn about the intersecting branch. Put a heading of intersecting.
Sir, I didn't complete.
पास करोगे
Sorry.
I didn't finish writing everything.
Okay, write it. And Abigail, what's about science division? Are you joining or not?
No, sir.
मैच करना
Okay.
Sir, my mom didn't send the message.
No. Oh, I guess.
Okay,
दिया था ना
Oh, okay. I didn't check that. Oh, I got the message.
क्यों नहीं है
okay, sir.
She's telling me that she's not able to attend today due to internet and gadget problems. So,
Yeah, sir. That day I couldn't attend and in future also.
okay.
मैं कराया था मैं एक बार किस पे कराया था नहीं तो क्यों कराया
Done?
Done, sir.
Okay. Now we'll learn about intersecting graph. Intersecting. Now listen, guys. Now, what do you mean by intersecting graph? The intersecting graph is the graph in which we understand the two lines of the linear equation. They will, they will what? They will cross over one point. They will cross over one point. So we'll make that intersecting graph. So, for example, there is the equation x plus y is equals to 2 and 2x plus y is equals to 2. So can you make a graph? Can you make a graph for me, guys?
In that one?
Yeah. So both the equation graph will be on the one graph board. So I will make a graph on the board. You guys find out the points. Okay. You know how to make graph, guys?
I know, sir. Everybody
Yeah.
knows.
Everybody knows now. We did a lot of practice on that. So you guys find it out points. Okay. I'll ask one by one to write it down, and then we will make a graph. Hey, do you know now? Are you struggling? Okay. Anybody is feeling any problem, please ask me. I'm here to help you guys.
Can you do the first one? Like the blue and the red?
Blue and the red means how?
Can you solve the question and show?
Okay. So Abigail is not doing any practice at home. Yes. So it will become 2 minus y. Like I will send this plus y to the right hand side. So it become 2 minus y. Yes, Abigail? If you're new.
Yeah, so
Now, if you will take y value as 0, so what will you get x?
कैसे लिखूं इतना बड़ा लाइन
2.
So I will write 2. Understood? If you will take y value as 1, tell me, Abhikil. Unmute.
Then 1.
Yeah, so like this, you have to get the points.
That I got, but then the second one,
Third one we want to ask. The third one also. Okay, so 2x plus y is equals to 2. What I will do, I will put y here only and I will say 10 2x to that side. If you will take here y as, sorry, x as 0. You will take x as 0. So what will you get as y? Abhi?
0.
Oh, how can you 0? 2 into 0, 0. Now 2 minus 0 is 2.
Yeah, 2.
Like, why? Like, you're not getting it?
I'm getting it, sir, but you said like in both the equations, the value of x and y should be the same. So I was just wondering how to
No,
do
it
that.
won't be all same. It won't all be same. It will only a 1 point because we are doing intersecting graph now. It will be only 1 point which are. You just find it out the points. We'll check it out which are the same, which are not the same.
Okay.
You just make the graph. Don't think about same or unsame. Just make the graph. Simple as that.
Okay, sir.
Jashwant,
Yes,
mark the blue points. Jashwant. Mark the blue points.
uh,
Blue. Yes, Joshua.
should we do both of them?
Yeah, both of them you have to do it quickly.
So the annotations are on my screen.
Sorry. Now can you do it? I guess Jashwant will be the with us this last week. I guess. Then we have to say bye bye. Yeah, do it, Jashwant. Good. Ah, okay, done. Jashwant, you have to mark all the points. I'm waiting for all the points. Then Simeon, mark the red point with the red markers quickly.
Where's the point of 0?
Huh? Sorry.
Where is the point of 0?
0 is always this is 0. Remember this one. It is also called as origin. 0, 0 is called as origin. Simeon, you have to mark the red points. Quickly do it, beta.
I'm marking it 1 minute.
Abigail, mark the red points. Edric, mark the blue points. Ira, red points. Whatever the red points you got, just mark it. Ditya, blue points. Joshua, red points. Everyone take your marker and mark it. One by one, quickly mark it. Whatever the points you are getting. Edric with the blue one, not with the green one.
All of us do
Edric?
it in blue.
No. You got which color? Red or blue?
Blue.
You got blue color, so then use with blue pen only. Who's this red point? Okay, red point is done. Who's this red point?
Below the blue one?
Sorry?
The one next to the blue one.
Yeah, yes.
That is mine.
How you got 1,1? You got 1,1?
I didn't get 1,1. I got 0.5,1.
Zero. What you got?
1 second.
So this is 2,0. So who got this? Okay. Whose point is this? Whose point is this? Nitya, what you got?
1 by 1.
So it's not 1 by 1. There 1 and 1 are meeting, it's gonna be 1 by 1.
Oh no, there was red. That's why I didn't put it there.
No. You have to put it over it only.
Okay, I'll put it over it.
Sir, if y is
Uh,
substituted for 1, then I should get x as 0.5, right?
yeah, just give me a second. Minus 1 by 2, beta. See, Simeon, if you will
Yes.
do 1 minus 2 upon 2, so it will become a minus 1 by 2, which is minus 0.5. I mean, that's why you're getting wrong. Understood?
But I'm substituting y for 1. So then it's
Yeah,
2x
I also
plus 1.
substitute. I also substitute by 1, no? See, 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Understood?
How minus 1? Oh, okay. I got it.
Mm.
I was doing 2 minus 1.
Yeah. Now, whose red one is this? Whose red one is this? Now, whose blues one is this? Who marked this blue one?
I did it.
No, why? Why?
2 by 0.
It's 2 comma 0. On x-axis is 2. Not on
Oh,
y-axis. On y-axis is 0.
Okay.
So, if I will make a line, I will make a red line. So, I might get it like this. And if I will get the blue line, I might get it like this. Okay. So this, you can see that there is this point is the solution. It means that this point will be the answer of this equation also, and this point will be the answer of this equation also. Understood? Yes or no? And I guess it's gonna be 1.5 comma 0.5. 1.5, sorry, 0.5 comma 1.5. Yeah, this
Wait,
will be the point. 0.5 comma 1.5. This
but
will
then
be
it'll
the
be
answer.
wrong, sir, because 0.5 into 2 is 1. 1 plus 1.5 is 2.5, not 2. The answer is 0, comma 2.
0, 2.
Yes,
So
0.
I am getting matching here. So either some of the thing is wrong.
But I'm getting 0, comma 2.
Did anybody got this here, this point? Did anybody got here? I guess somebody marked it, but he or she erased it. Then it will be more clear about that.
Sir, I got that, but I was marking red, so I didn't mark for blue.
Yeah, this is the answer. So you can check that 2, comma 0, sorry, 0, comma 2 is the answer because you are getting the point. So whose mic is 0, comma 2 is the answer. Why? Because 0, comma 2, if you will put in this equation, what will you got? What will you get? If you will put 0, comma 2 in the first equation, what will you get? After it, LHS equals to RHS. Okay, and if you will put here also 0, 2 zeros are 0 plus 2, 2 equals to 2. So you can get that 0, comma 2 will be the solution of this equation. Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Guys, did you understand? Yes or no? Everyone, Bettia, Ira,
Yes, sir.
Jashon, Joshua. Everyone got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, got it, sir.
Okay. Now I'm erasing this. I'll give you one more graph to make. And this will be 4 inside graph. And everyone solve this. Solve this, guys. And I divide the team. Edric,
Yes.
Bettia, Joshua. You will make a blue one? I'll change the color. You will mark the blue points. Everyone remember your points, okay?
So I should mark the blue one or no?
Yeah, blue one. You should mark the blue one. And the rest will mark the red one. Okay, guys? And Edric, give everyone chance, okay? Everyone should mark one point. Only 1 point. 1 point is allowed by everyone. So I divide the team, please, everyone. Remember your points. Let's see who will make the first graph. Edric, everyone has chance, okay? Remember that thing.
Sir, Edric's team is blue and the other team is red, right?
Yeah, the ones are red.
How they got me? 3.
Each member only 1 point. So Abigail is marking one, then you can't mark the another. And everyone has to do it, okay? Every question. This only find 1 point. Find every point.
Okay, so, ma'am, sir.
Yes.
Blue.
Yeah, you, Bettia, and Joshua are in blue team. And Prince, Abigail, Jashron, Ira, and Simeon in one team. And I will be in blue team also.
Sir, am I in red or blue?
Red. I'm in blue.
Okay, so blue means
This is wrong. Who would make this? Who makes this? Why, Bettia? What point you got?
Uh, 0 and 3.
Huh? 0 and 3. So this is not 0. This is not 0.
Sir, if I'm substituting substituting y for 1, then it will be 2y equals 2, so 6 minus 2, right?
Just give me a second. Let me correct Bettia, then I will come to you. Bettia, what you got? What x like? What is the value of x? 0. What is the value of y? 3. So 0 is here. Now this x axis is 0, na? This is 0 and 3. This is 0, 3, no? What are you doing?
Sorry. I always get confused with which one is Y and which one is X.
Okay, yes. Now Simeon is saying something. Simeon, please again. Simeon? Yes.
If I substitute y for 1, then x should be equal to 2.
Just give me a second. Yes, correct. Who marked this?
So I marked it.
How, Joshua? How you got what?
I got 1,4.
How you got 1,4? It's not correct. It's x is equals to 3 minus y. So what you took value of y?
I took value of y as 4.
So 3 minus 4. Now what is the answer, Joshua?
So it will be 1.
1. But the 4 is greater. The sign in front of 4 is?
Minus 1.
Then?
Then you'll multiply it, right?
Why we multiply it? You got x as minus 1. So x as minus 1 and this is 4. So it is going to be like this. Now who got this point, red points?
So I got that point.
Okay, just give me a second. You got this one.
Yeah.
How?
It
What
is,
you took?
I took y as 3.
So 2x is equal to 6 minus 2y. 2x is equal to 6 minus 2 into 3. 2x is equal to 6 minus 6. 2x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 by 2.
Oh,
So x is equal to 0.
okay, sir. So x is
So if you will, if is equal to y is equal to 3, then x is 0. Mark that point. Erase this. Who marked this one?
Me,
Who
sir.
marked this one? Why?
Me, sir.
Why you got this?
Actually, I got 5, 1 instead of that. I put 6, 1.
No. How you got 5, 1? What you take?
So I made the equation y is equal to 6 minus x.
Just give me a second. Y is equals to 6 minus x. How it can be minus x? It's 2x there, no?
Yeah, I got confused.
You have to send whole 2x. Like this, you can do. Abigail, your concept is not clear in graph. It's okay. You can ask me again and again.
I was solving the blue one instead of the red one.
Oh, so you have any doubts? I mean, shall I?
Yes, sir.
So if you will take x as what you take x?
I took x as 5.
X is 5. So 6 minus 2 into 5 upon 2. X is equal to 6 minus 4. Sorry, 6 minus 10 upon 2. X is equal to minus 4 by 2. X is equal to minus 2 by minus 2. So if you take y as 5, so x will be minus 2. But it's gonna be like this. Minus 2, comma 5. Like this. Understood? Now who
Yeah.
marked this one?
So I marked it. I didn't.
Why, beta? How you got this?
I tried doing the previous one only. X equals minus 1. How do you find the
So,
y?
so when you will put x is equals to minus 1, the when you put the y value as 4, then you got x is equals to minus 1. So it means that the coordinates will be minus 1 comma 4. Understood?
Okay. Yeah.
So minus 1. So where is minus 1 in the x-axis? This is the minus 1 in the x-axis. And where is the 4 in the y-axis? There is a 4. So wherever they are meeting, there will be the point. This is the point.
Okay.
Okay. Guys, you are struggling in making graph. That is not good.
Sir, if
That's easy.
I substitute y for 1, then x should equal 2, right?
Yeah, I guess we solved, no? Yeah, I guess to put now. Where is your mark?
I'm
I
putting
didn't get Iron's mark also.
I marked it after you said corrected.
Where?
The 3 on y and 3 0.
Okay. So one red mark is missing. Whose red mark is missing?
Mine.
Just on. No, you are in blue team, no? Just on red mark is missing. Justin, where is your mark?
Everyone's already marked where I found.
Where you got?
2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 0.
1, 2. So you got 1, 2. Put na 1, 2 then. Put 1, 2. So guys, you can see that they all red and blue points are coming like this. Yes or no? If you will take red point, if you will take blue point, they are overlapping on each other. You can check that. Okay. This type of graph is called as coincide graph. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? No. Nobody
Yes, sir.
understood. Now your homework is you have to make the graph. Okay, and you have to find it out. If it is parallel graph is there, then there will be no solution. But if it's intersecting is there, it will be one solution. If it is coincide is there, then infinite solutions are there. So I'm erasing this. This is your. I'm writing the homework. You have to do it. Okay.
How many
I
homeworks?
hope you are getting it. You have to make graph.
How many graphs?
Let me check.
How many?
Take me map. Let me get one. Okay. These are the three books, three questions that you have to make graph. And you have to write it down, each and everything, and you have to send it me by 8 o'clock.
Tomorrow 8 o'clock. Tomorrow night 8
No,
o'clock.
today. Today 8 o'clock.
Sir, give 2 days. Sir.
What 2 days? Only three graphs I said.
Three graphs itself, one graph takes 1 hour.
You have to make both the equation in one graph. Okay?
Okay.
Now you guys have 4 minutes break, then come back, we will have science class. Till then, bye Abigail, bye Simon.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Okay, guys, come back, come back, come back. Guys, come back.
No way. Sir,
Yes, sir.
why too much homework? Give little homework.
I give only 3 homework, Karthik. You're
Three
saying
homework
that,
and
bro.
one graph takes like 1 hour or something. One graph.
No, it's not that much.
It's too much.
No,
Give only
just
one graph.
make it on graph paper or just a notebook.
You can make, if possible, you can make on graph paper. Then it's gonna be easy for you. If it is not possible, then you can
Sir,
make
I
on
have
the.
graph paper. I have
So graph paper. Use graph paper.
I-
If you have, then use it.
Okay.
Okay. So we were doing this thing. We did vitamins. Okay, guys. Now this table is very important for an examination point of view. Okay, this is very important. You guys have to learn this. They can ask you in fill in the blanks part. Okay, they can ask you in fill in the blanks part that like vitamin A is useful for what, vitamin B is useful for what are the functions. We should remember this. Okay, okay, guys. So you can check that vitamin A, milk, carrot, tomatoes, like night blindness, poor, like deficiency of that will become night blindness. Now, night blindness is the blindness that occur only in night. Means in night you can't see the object because of the dim lights. This is called as night blindness. So it occurs because of the vitamin A deficiency. So these are the important things that you have to learn. Okay, guys. They can ask you what is scurvy. So scurvy is the swell-ups in the gums when you like try to eat an apple, and when you will take a bite, in that bite on that apple, if it reddish is there, okay, after eating a bite, instead of white there is a reddish uh, uh, blood is there, then it is called as scurvy. You need to eat a lot of vitamin C tablets or nimbu pani, something like that. Understood, guys? Are you with me, guys? Did you understand? Okay. Like vitamin E, vitamin K, these all are the efficiency for the things. Now, today we'll learn about minerals. Okay, minerals such as iron, calcium, sodium, potassium, iodines are required by the body in small quantity. Like iodine. You know goiter? You know goiter?
Yes, sir.
Goiter is a disease in which the neck got swollen up because of the thyroxine gland. So, to regulate the thyroxine hormone, goiter to reduce to don't like to protect from the disease of goiter, we need iodine in our food. Iodine is like salt, desh ka namak, tata namak. We need that thing. Okay, so these things are important. So Tata sponsors my video. That's why I'm saying desh ka namak, Tata. Okay. Potassium. Potassium is also needed. It's found in the green leafy vegetable. Okay, Betya. So we need to have these types of vegetables. Okay, so that we can have a growth and development in our body. Calcium. Calcium, milk, and milk product. Okay, so calcium is needed. So and water is necessary. Water is necessary for our body. Why water is necessary? Because water regulates the blood and the temperature in our body. Okay, so if water is not there, then we might have different types of disease, like the blood will become thick, or the blood is not able to move the transport system. The temperature will increase like that. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Just on Jahan, everyone understood? Now, balanced diet, I told you before, balanced diet is a diet in which all the minerals and the nutrients are there. So now this is your homework. Now, today is the main topic, and we'll do this topic, then only we over the class. Okay. This is your homework. Now, digestive system. Now, everyone, please pay attention. Please pay attention. Okay. Okay, now everyone, please pay attention. Don't write anything. Okay, don't write anything. Okay. Now, digestion is basically is the process in which the food which you take, Okay, it digested to become a simpler substance. For example, if Jahoan is eating chapati, so in his blood, chapati is not moving. In his blood, the nutrient in the chapati is moving. Understood? If Betty is eating pizza, then pizza is not moving in his blood, in her blood. Okay, like pizza, oregano, chili flakes is going different directions. No, it's not like that. The nutrients that we get from the pizza, which is a fat, we are getting that. Understood? If I am eating green leafy vegetable, then patta is moving in my blood. It's not like that. There's no patta patti. Only the nutrients which I'm getting from the green leafy vegetable, that only. So what I'm trying to say that digestion is the process in which a complex substance is converted into a simpler substance. Simpler substance that can be absorbable by the body. Understood, guys? Yes or no? So digestion, repeat after me with mute mic. Digestion is the process in which a complex substance is converted into simpler substance so that it can be absorbable by the body. Okay. Now, in digestion, we need different medium enzymes so that it can make a simple food. Okay. So, for example, first of all, digestion starts from mouth and at anus, the end point. And this hole is called as alimentary canal. Alimentary canal. Understood, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, first is mouth. First is mouth. So in mouth, teeth teeth is responsible for chewing. And tongue is responsible for rolling the food. With saliva, which has enzyme called salivary amylase. Now, everyone, please listen. Please listen. Please listen. This is very important. See, when you are eating food, you got waters in your mouth. Yes. For example, if I'm eating biryani, okay, not veg biryani, I will eat non-veg biryani. Then, for example, if Joshua is sitting near me, then Joshua will get saliva. I am eating, but Joshua getting saliva. I mean, the waters in his mouth. So it's because of the salivary amylase, which is the enzyme which works in your mouth. So when you're eating food, so to makes the food wet and to chew, to roll it, the tongue is used, teeth to chew it, and saliva contains a salivary amylase. Now, what is the work of that salivary amylase? Salivary amylase work is to convert carbohydrate, which is a complex one, into maltose, which is a simpler one. So, for example, if I am eating chapati, chapati has a nutrient carbohydrate. So, in my mouth, that carbohydrate, which is a complex, will convert into a simple maltose. Are you getting it, Joshua? Ira. Okay, so it means that my digestion process starts from mouth. Okay, it starts from mouth. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? Okay. Then after mouth, the process comes as esophagus. Esophagus. So I will make a green line for you. Yes, please ask me.
This alimentary canal is like all of these things combined, right?
It's all mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, anus. All this comes under the alimentary canal.
Okay.
Now, what do you mean by esophagus? Esophagus have no digestion. It is the only part of the alimentary canal which have no digestion. It means that in esophagus there will be no digestion. Understood? So esophagus is the food pipe. It is also called as what? Can you repeat with me? It is also called as food pipe, which has no digestion. No digestion. Okay. But here one movement is going on called as
Peristaltic.
Oh, very good. Peristaltic movement. Now, what do you mean by peristaltic movement? So, just see my camera. I'm switching off my camera. Why? Because here is heat and my mobile got heats up. Because he's using Zoom and the hotspot is also from this mobile. That's why it's got heated up. So, and I'm not in good condition right now. Okay, but I will teach you about peristaltic movement. Can you hold this for a minute? Okay. What is a peristaltic movement? See, this is my pen. Okay. I'm eating this. Okay. So now this is become a food and this is my esophagus. So peristaltic, see my camera. Okay. Peristaltic movement is a movement in which rhythmic contraction and relaxation is there. What? Rhythmic contraction and relaxation is there. For example, this is relaxation and this is contraction. So this is relaxation and this is the food will go forward and then contract. Then relax, then contract. Relax, then relax, contract. Like this. Yes.
Sir, is esophagus muscular?
Yes, it's muscular. That's why it's called as peristaltic movement, in which there's a rhythmic contraction and relaxation is there, so that the food will not like if it is a normal pipe, na, it will what वो अटक जाएगा. Okay, it will stop. Okay, the food will stop.
Cannot go
But
in the stomach.
yeah, it will not go in the stomach. It got stuck in that esophagus. But because of the peristaltic movement, it is not stucking. Like the contraction and relaxation helps the food to move forward. Okay? Understood? Thank you. Thank you. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Okay. So peristaltic movement is a rhythmic. It's a rhythmic contraction and relaxation. Don't write anything. I will send this in the group. No problem in that. Okay, just pay attention in that. Okay, now esophagus role is completed. Now, important role, stomach will come. Important role, stomach.
Sir,
Yes,
the stomach is also muscular.
stomach is also muscular. Good. It's an organ. Okay, it's muscular. Good. Now, everyone, please listen. Like stomach gonna look like this. Why the pen is not working? Listen, guys. When the food comes inside the stomach, don't laugh on my drawing, Jahoan. I can see you're laughing very bad, Jahoan. You can't laugh on my feature. Okay. So, like when the stomach, the food will come, there is a one sphincter muscle is there. It is called as sphincter muscle, which stop, which like this, which will make a muthi. Okay, so that the food will not go to the intestine. Okay, so that sphincter muscles help to food not to go into intestine while the digestion occurs in the stomach. Understood, guys? Did you understand the role of sphincter muscles? Now, this stomach has a walls of cell. No, it's a cell which has two roles. Which has two roles. The cells or the walls of the stomach has two roles. It releases HCl. HCl is hydrochloric acid. Acid. It releases pepsinogen. It's an enzyme. So I will write it with a red pen.
How come enzyme means red pen?
Yeah, I'm writing with red pen because it is important. Na? And a mucus.
How come mucus is blue pen?
Mucus. Now, HCl is so dangerous that if you will take the laboratory HCl and if you will put it on your finger, the bone, the everything will vanish or destroy because the HCl is too acidic. But in our stomach, there is a layer of mucus is there, which helps the wall of stomach to protect from the HCl. Understood? That mucus is released by the walls of stomach only, okay, to protect themselves from the highly acidic hydrochloric acid. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? Okay. Now stomach releases HCl, which kills the germs in the food. Germs in the food, and the another thing is to make the food acidic, to create an acidic medium. Why? So that an enzyme can activate. Now listen, guys. This pepsinogen, this pepsinogen, it's inactive enzyme. It's inactive enzyme. It's not active form. So HCl creates this acidic medium so that pepsinogen, which is an inactive enzyme, pepsinogen, which is inactive form, can convert into pepsin, which is an active form. Guys, did you understand? Yes or no? Joshua, Ira, Edric, Justron, Jahoan. The pepsinogen is an inactive form. So HCl make acidic medium so that the pepsinogen, which is an inactive form, can convert into pepsin. Understood, guys?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, what happens if there's no HCl?
Then the pepsinogen will not activate. That's why every time the HCl is releases. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now this pepsin is active form. So this pepsin will work on proteins to convert into peptones. This pepsin works on proteins to convert into peptone. Now, everyone, please listen. Peptones is still not simple. Like, for example, you can check that complex carbohydrate is converted into maltose sugar, which is simple form. And simple form is absorbable. But the proteins which is converted by pepsin into peptones is not simple form. It is still to be more simplified. So it is half simple, we can say. So this is the complex one. Why this is working like this? This is a complex one, and this is not simple. This is, we can say, mid simple. Still, the simplicity should be there. Is there? Did you understand, guys? Did you understand? So when this whole process is completed, then the sphincter muscles will relax, and the food will go into the small intestine. Did you understand, guys? Edric, Joshua, Jashron, Jehovan, Ira, Itya.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Joshua didn't understand anything. Joshua, please ask me, Veda.
Understood, sir.
Everyone understood? Now, we'll stop here only. The small intestine and the large intestine will do tomorrow. Okay, I am sending this picture in the group. Everyone write it down and write it like this. It is like a note of whole digestion. Okay? Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the class. And then bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Okay? Sayonara.
Sayonara.